jungle.
Steady. Go.
Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover the exercise part of the 11th chapter of Marigold of the poem If I Were an Apple. Now friends, let us move on to our first question. Friends, here in this slide, we have to solve some questions based on this poem. Our first question is, where is the apple? Look at this picture friends. Here you can see an apple is hanging from the branch of the tree. Let us move on to our next question. Our next question is, where is the boy? The answer to this question is, the boy is under the tree. Now our third question is, how can the boy get the apple? The answer to this question is, the boy can get the apple by climbing and plucking it from the tree. Now friends, let us move on to our next question. Our next question is, do you like apples? Friends, take your time to think and comment your answer below. My answer is, yes, I like apples. Our last question is, have you ever climbed a fruit tree? Friends, comment your answer below. Let me discuss the answer with you. My answer is no. I have never climbed a fruit tree. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, here you will have to choose the appropriate answer for each and every blanks. In the first blank, if I were a bird, I could fly or cry. Yes, here our correct answer is fly. In the next blank, if I were a bee, I could buzz or yes, your correct answer is buzz. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, here in this slide, you will have follow the instruction in order to fill the correct blanks to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the picture as clues to find out the fruits. Now friends, guess the words with the help of this given picture. Friends, can you identify this fruit? Yes, this is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. This is G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Friends, can you identify this picture? Yes, this is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Our next fruit is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Friends, look at this fruit. Yes, this is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And our last fruit is pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Friends, I will provide you more examples, worksheet, interesting puzzles in our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us move on to our next question. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is watermelon. It is a fruit with many seeds and it is red inside and green outside. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is identify the name of the fruit. Friends, there is some clue. M, A, then blank, then G and then blank. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.